Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time checking us out, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you stick around. We want the makeup community to grow and be a really fun, positive, safe place to talk about all things makeup. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's called Parkinson's syndrome. It's genetic early onset Parkinson's, and that's one reason why I started the channel, is because I wanted to show that, just because you have some challenges doesn't mean that you have to give up what you know and love, and that makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. Everybody, if you feel more confident, if you have some makeup on, get some confidence through beauty, then I think that's wonderful, because I know I get a little more confidence to face the day if I feel like I look my best. So today we are going to go through the IT Confidence in a Foundation. We're going to try this out. Now, originally I was a little on the fence about trying it out because I looked at the reviews and some of the reviews weren't great. And I looked at it and went back and forth. Well, then I watched a video that Tati did and it looked beautiful on her. I really trust her, and she says that she really liked it. And she is one of the big creators that I do trust as far as her opinions. So went out, got it. We're going to try it out today. We're going to check it out together. So it retails for $32. My shade is 130 Light Sand, which is a warm shade. I was kind of surprised, but I got matched. I'm usually a neutral, and I was actually matched in a warm shade, number 130 Light Sand. So it's supposed to be really great. Got some skin-loving ingredients, long wear. It says it is oil-free, humidity-proof, velvet matte finish foundation, delivers all day full coverage, hydration, and confidence. Feels weightless on skin, covers the look of blemishes, redness, dark spots, and other imperfections without creasing or cracking. Perfect for all skin types. Infused with ceramides, peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, and squalene. I like that. And it comes in 48 shades. Really love that. So IT Cosmetics kind of has a history of not coming in a lot of shades. So this is really great that they've come out with, the Bye Bye Under Eye in so many shades and this foundation in so many shades. Hopefully they continue doing that. So I already prepped and primed. I moisturized. I have my Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer on, and the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Mattifying Primer. I want to give this the best shot that I can. So it says to put 1 to 2 full pumps and apply it with your favorite IT Cosmetics brush. Usually I use sponges to apply my foundation, but I'll use a brush. And I've got my handy dandy little tray here. So let's do this. And like usual, I'll check in during the day to let you guys know how everything's going. Let's get this pumped out. Ah, that is a little thick. Okay, so there we go. I got about 1.5 pumps there. I'll probably end up doing 2. Let's apply this. It says if you, oh wow, yeah, that is, that looks pretty good coverage so far. It says if you fall between shades to go with the lighter one. So that pretty much means it's going to oxidize a little bit. Feels pretty good going on, honestly. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've used a brush for foundation that it feels weird. Get it all over there. So during this past giveaway, we hit 200, which was going to be my big giveaway number. So I am going to do another giveaway soon. Of course, I do them like every 6 to 8 weeks. Sometimes I've done them closer together than that. But I think my next one's going to be the big giveaway. Everybody voted, the majority voted to do big giveaways less often and smaller giveaways more often. And so we are going to do a big giveaway next time, which unfortunately means less winners. When I do a big giveaway, there's only like 1 or 2 winners. And when I do smaller giveaways like the Ultra cards, there are more winners. Or like when I did the ABH highlighter, stuff like that. But we're going to do a big giveaway soon because we hit 200 and it's springtime. Okay, so that 1.5 pumps, I thought I would need more than that, but it actually spread out pretty well. All right, so as you can see, I've got wet hair. It looks super light in the monitor, but I'm telling you, it's not that light in person. So I am going to go about my day and I will check in with you guys, let you know how it's going, let you know how I feel about it, and ultimately see if it's worth the $32 or not. Does it live up to its hype? We'll find out. All right, guys, I'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, guys, I know this is a whole lot of Chris coming at you, but I wanted to zoom in so you can kind of see how the foundation is doing and how it's looking. It looks really, really good. We are at about the 2-hour mark. We went a little over 2 hours, and it is still looking fresh. Still looking nice. I've got no separation where I would normally get it, and I am putting it through its paces today. So even in those 2 hours, I really did put it through the paces, and it's looking good. So I wanted to check in, let you guys know that so far, I really like it. All right, guys, see you in just a little bit. Hey guys, I am back. It has been 6 hours. Took the dog for a walk, did stuff around the house, got chores done. I put it through quite the workout today. So last check-in, and it looks really good. So I don't seem to have separation. And it did, I'm still have a little bit of sweat from walking my dog. It looks like it held up really well. I like the finish. Asked my husband about it while we were out walking the dog in the sunshine. He said it looked really good. And believe you me, he will let me know. I'll walk into your room trying a new foundation. He'll be like, ooh, or he'll say, wow, that looks really beautiful. So he said this one looked really great in the sunshine. Everything looked really good. So guys, I am giving this a thumbs up. I think I'm really going to use this a lot. I like it. All right, guys, that's it. I say, you know what? $32, 48 shades. Best thing to do is get it from a place that lets you return easily, like Ulta and Sephora, or get a sample, take it home, use it for a couple days, try it out, see what you think. All right, guys, that is it. I will talk to you in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.